Hello and welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. I am Mason from the group or YouTube channel Midge and Morben Mason. Today we are going to make a forum signature. So I also apologise for my voice. I have a bit of a cold, but let's try to ignore that. First of all, let's open Photoshop. Okay, so this is just an example. Well, it's an Assassin's Creed signature. This is a double hex. This is obviously, well, that's obviously the sun, and he's running away from it and getting vaporized. And that's my YouTube channel name, Neb099. That's my official YouTube channel. So let's get started, shall we? Let's go on new, and the width is going to be 500 by 150. So zoom in a little bit and go to your web browser, whichever one you have or whichever one you use. Why is it just open a new one? I have no idea. Go to images on Google or whichever search engine you use. So just search any character, anything that resembles you, anything that makes you stand out, anything you're comfortable with. Say I'm searching for Master Chief, and let's go for this one. Copy image. Crap. And once you've copied the image, go to Photoshop, paste it. Now, as you can see, you're standing on a stone thingy bob. So what we're going to do is just choose the bit that makes him stand out. So the guns and his actual head, I think, does make him stand out more than anything else. So go back to your search engine and I searched for a picture called Green Wave. So this is my background. Backgrounds are very vital because this is what makes the image stand out, and this is what makes the audience, well, view the image. It just catches the audience's eye. So go back to Photoshop, paste the background, and just position it the way you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on layer, arrange, and center back. If you notice that the Master Chief image has a white border around it. So if you want to get rid of this, you click on the eraser tool, but instead of the eraser tool, you hold it down and go to Magic Eraser. Then you click in the white spaces. Sorry, I forgot to reselect the image. Click in the white spaces, and gets rid of the white bits. And as you can see, the background's messing me up. So that's basically what it's going to look like so far. So if you want to make it, look a bit different, select the background, go on Filter, Blur, Radial Blur, and what we're going to do is we're going to have the blur method spin. We want it at 48, the amount, and we want the quality at best. Then you click OK, and wait for it to render, of course. See, this is just choice. You don't have to choose for the render because I think that looks quite good like that. But this is just an example, really. Not the real thing, in other words. I mean, both ways look good, really. Let's just see what it looks like. So that's basically what it looks like so far. That isn't what it's going to stay looking like. So what we want to do, for a Mac, it's Control T or Command T, I can't really remember. For a computer, it's obviously Control T to transform it. So you transform it like into a square sort of shape, squish it down so it fits so the little spinny dial fits into the square, and smush it down at the sides as well, like so, and there you have it, spin effect. And to finish off, well, not really to finish off, but now we need to sign it. So put your name, change the text size down a lot, because sorry about that. So put Mason. I'm going to change the text style to suit the character. I'm going to make it on Halo because Master Chief is from Halo. So I'm going to put my name back there because it looks presentable. Double click the layer. So if you want to get on layers, just go on Window, select layers, and then all these effects here you can just mess around with. But I recommend just using a gradient overlay if you're just having, well, the Halo thing. So now we just choose a colour like that. As you can see, Halo right in, Halo colour. So one final thing I just want to show you. You can change the whole outlook of the picture. So what you want to do is go on adjustments, so window, adjustments, and I like that because it makes it look cartoony. And if you want the whole thing to select, do that. Stupid thing. Yeah, one. Right, I like that because it looks cartoony. Makes it look more detailed, more shade and everything, but also it looks quite messy and unpresentable. So what we're going to do, if you want just the background, right, say if you want the whole thing coloured overlay, you need a gradient map, and that I think looks very effective. It looks dark, it looks evil Master Chief, evil Chief, whichever. And now what we're going to do, if you want to just select the background, just the background to be a different colour, then you just right click and select on the background. Because if you just select that layer, only that layer will be transformed. And I find this quite handy because you can just change the colour like so. And it's very effective. Not that one though. For some strange reason the red isn't working. There we go. And it just looks pretty cool. So now that we've got that out of the way, the last thing to do is, I'm going to have that colour. Last thing to do is, this is just another choice. Go on filter, distort, ocean ripple, and this just makes it look, well, quite, effective. Makes it look like, and it's quite hard to explain really, but I like it really. That's just one choice. Or go on filter, blur, radial blur, and you want the zoom effect, and set the amount to 8. You want best quality, and that is what I have done with my Assassin's Creed signature here, because I did the blur effect to make it look like he's being vaporized by the sun. And thank you for watching my tutorial on how to do a signature. This is what your finished project should look like. This is my original one I did. Next tutorial video will be on how to do YouTube layouts. This is an example of a YouTube layout that I did for my cousin. It's an not Assassin's Creed, sorry, a Devil May Cry 4 one. Or got the rate, comment, subscribe, got the comment box, got everything really. Hope you enjoyed my video. I shall see you next vid. Bye.